Welcome to the terminal. If you're here, it's because you're tired of being a tenant in your own business. Today, we are declassifying the 2026 Sovereign Infrastructure Report. My goal is simple. I'm going to show you how to decommission the guru stack and stop the bleed on your profit margins. Most gurus sell you on a $97 sticker price, but that's just the tip. What they don't tell you is that 85% of the true cost of their software is hidden in maintenance rent and subscription serfdom. You're paying for a license to be their captive audience. Let's do the math. You're paying $2,000 a year for a funnel builder, another $1,800 for a CRM, and $1,200 for email. That is over $5,000 a year in guru tax. That is money being extracted from your family and your business to pay for someone else's dev team. Now look at the sovereign model. By using the invisible factory logic,
we leverage open source alternatives and search intent infrastructure. Total cost, $0.
We don't rent, we own. In a guru stack, the more you grow, the more they charge. It's a penalty for success. In the sovereign model, the more you grow, the more you keep.
We don't charge per lead.
We don't charge per lead.
We build the factory,
that then manufactures them. This is the roadmap. In 14 days, we move you from a consumer to a distributor. We build your Anger asset, we deploy your context bridges, and we initialize the ad-for-ad protocol. No fluff, just infrastructure. So you have a choice. You can keep paying the rent, or you can decommission the stack. You can stay a captive audience, or you can become a systems architect. The terminal is open. Access the 14-day Blitz below. Click the button that says, I want this, and initialize your deployment. I'll see you inside the factory.